next module I'm going to go into is Web Analytics, and everyone is very familiar with Google Analytics, but what makes this Analytics module a little bit different than Google Analytics is it was built by what they call an open source community out in the UK, and this organization came together to provide what they call unbiased or objective analytics of your website. So Google Analytics is an awesome tool, very powerful, although Google is a for-profit agency and they do tend to put results or lump results together and lead individuals into buying particular ad campaigns or things that might improve your website from a Google perspective. But there are other search engines at play, not just Google. So this is a great asset in your toolbox to be able to run an objective analytics report against your Google Analytics to help you truly understand what your visitors are experiencing and different information such as your most popular device, the engagement times. So I'm going to go through and just click on a couple of these tabs and show you what some of these reports look like. And these are only snapshots of the day. We can roll it out to do day, week, month, year, or particular, we could do the lifetime of the account. So if you look here and we click on Overview, this is going to give you a snapshot of what the web traffic or visits look like over time, new versus old visitors, potential bounce rates, average duration on the website. So very important information here. If we look here, timing on the site is very important, kind of knowing what time of the day are going to be your peaks and valleys and when to promote product or service. Potentially locations, so understanding the demographics and geographics on the map, and so we can hone in specifically to the United States. We can break in, and now we can start to see kind of our hotbed states of what are the most performing states on 11/6 in this example, but again, we could change this to a day, week, month, or lifetime sprint. Scroll down, there's a real-time map reporter, which is going to show you within the past 16 hours where people were coming from the website. And if we scroll down a little bit more, it's going to give you some information about behavior. So what are our top performing pages? So our home page, maybe some sub-landing pages that we have created. And again, this is only a day sprint, but we can see the clicks, the percentages, the average time on the site, and the exit rate. Furthermore, we can view entry pages. So what are the pages people are Googling maybe Patriot Corvettes, and they are landing on a Corvette landing page, or exit pages. Where are people leaving? They're clicking on the home page, they're clicking on the Corvette page, and they are leaving after they go to the contact page. Finally, some information typically for your marketing agencies, so going through and providing some page titles and information relevant to that. Any downloads, so if you have any PDFs or assets that you provide to individuals, it looks like there's not a lot of content that we can analyze in the Analytics module. Let's go and look at the Acquisition tab here. So this is going to provide the major search engines that this organization is on, as well as the keywords and any other referring websites that may drive traffic to the website, and social networks. So they do have a YouTube channel that they're pretty active on. And if we go through here, let's just take a look more detail about some of the particular keywords. So it's going to tell you that in Patriot Chevrolet, a lot of individuals, 3 of them specifically on today, were looking on the Bing. 1 of them were looking via Yahoo as a search engine. If we go through here, Bing is another one. Finally, if there's any type of campaigns you do run inside Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you will actually get to see the campaign. This does need to be set up properly with conversion tags for the information to kind of stream back into here and view the campaign specifics, but you are able to set up specific goals, campaigns, and track the performance if you were to tie it to a social campaign.